NEET aspirants, how are you all? You all know na कि NEET exam dates are announced and it's going to take place on May 7, 2023. So if you are targeting NEET 2023 and you feel that your preparation is not up to the mark or you want to give a try after your board exam, so you are at correct destination. We here at Toppers Academy, we are providing you with exclusive crash course, that is the NEET Ultimate Crash Course. In this crash course, we are providing you with 150 live sessions, that is 50-50 lectures each for physics, chemistry and biology with the well-experienced teachers. Right. Along with that, we are also going to provide you with recordings of those live sessions with the lecture notes. You know, beta, like each big brand, they are saying they are going to provide you recorded video solutions and all that. No, here at Toppers Academy, we are going to do all this in live sessions. This means more interactions with the teachers, more answer solving ability will increase. Right? So, we are going to focus on your overall aptitude. We are going to focus on how you are going to improve your answer solving abilities. So, during these classes, we are going to do the revision of each chapter. We are going to solve a lot of previous year questions. So, we will just try how you will solve the question in short tricks and by taking smaller times. So, beta, your routine is also here. We are placing your classes 6 days a week. You know, my exam is just very close. So, abhi just don't run away. We are keeping the classes 6 days a week. So, you have to attend those classes. Okay? So, just be ready. This time we are going to crack the NEET. Right? So, toppers will rock this time.